In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in Elementor, a versatile tool for creating stunning websites with ease. Banners are a great way to grab attention and convey key messages, and with Elementor, it's simpler than ever. Let's delve into the step-by-step process, starting with opening your page in Elementor. You'll want to enter the editing mode by clicking Edit with Elementor on your desired page. This brings up the familiar interface we'll be working in. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is add a new section. To do this, locate the plus icon. It's usually right at the center, waiting to be clicked on. Once clicked, you're prompted to choose a section structure. For most banners, a single column layout is ideal as it provides a large, uninterrupted space for your message or visuals. With your new section in place, it's time to set the background, which is where much of the visual magic happens. You'll want to select the section you just added by clicking on it. This action opens up a series of editing options in the left panel. Head over to the Style tab where you'll encounter the background settings. Here you have a couple of choices. If you select Classic, you have the option to upload a striking image, perhaps your brand's logo or a captivating landscape. Alternatively, if you prefer a simpler backdrop, select a solid color. There's also the gradient option for those who fancy a blend of colors, adding a dynamic feel to the banner. While you're in this section, you'll also want to adjust the height of your banner. Navigate to the Layout panel and set the height to min height. You can adjust this between 400 to 600 pixels, depending on how prominent you want your banner to be. Now, let's turn our attention to adding content to our banner. This is really where you customize and tailor your message. You can drag in various widgets, such as a heading for your main title. If you have additional information or a subtitle, the text editor widget is a great choice. And don't forget to include a button widget if you're aiming for a call to action, like Learn More or Sign Up. Each widget can be tailored in the Style tab to match your desired fonts, alignments, and spacing, ensuring everything looks cohesive and polished. To enhance text visibility, especially if your background is an image, adding an overlay can be a game changer. You can do this by going to the Style tab again and selecting Background Overlay. Choose a suitable color, like a semi-transparent black, and adjust the opacity. Somewhere between 0.4 to 0.6 usually works well. Finally, after crafting and perfecting your banner, click the Update button to save your changes. This ensures your newly designed banner is live on your site for all to see. And there you have it, a beautiful, attention-grabbing banner designed in Elementor, ready to enhance your website's aesthetic and draw visitors in.